garlic, ginger, pepper, ginataang gulay means vegetables with coconut milk. So let it like that until it's brown. A little bit of water, just like that. Let it there. Now it's done. So I just added the coconut milk here. Oh, I forgot. That is my coconut milk. And let it simmer like that, until the pork is softer, tender. Smell good now. It's yummy, yeah? I will wait until I take 10 minutes for that. And that's what you can see. Here are my vegetables. Squash, and this one beans, long beans, string beans. We call that string beans in the Philippines, and okra, the 5-finger. So that's my ingredients, and I'm gonna put this one to eggplant. I'm going to slice it and put it together with the vegetables. So after that, this is the one now. I'm going to put the string beans. Oh, I will put this one first because I think it's a little bit harder to cook compared to the maybe I will put the same time squash at the same time, because okra will cook very quickly, so I will put it a little bit later, after 5 minutes. I think it will be okay after. So that's okra and talong, okra and just like this. The eggplant will be together. So let it simmer again for 5 minutes. Now will be the 5-finger okra in the Philippines, Tagalog. And then eggplant, talong. I just forget the call that Korean in French. What's called in French? I can't remember in English. And then let it cook for, let it simmer for, simmer or sim. Let it sim for, like I think 4 minutes. I will try for 4 minutes. Oh no. Wait, I will just add this one too. 4 minutes because I have to add the shrimp after. Get that? It's beautiful, huh? And also, while cooking, while waiting that time, I'm going to do hula hoop. I'm just crazy. Hula hooping while cooking. So I think this is good now. This is after 5 minutes. I'm gonna taste it. Very good. And I will add the shrimp. Maybe another 3 minutes. With the shrimp. One more 3 minutes for that, and it will be done. So I decided to put some chili in it. Yup. Let's taste now. Let's see, yummy. It's good. Perfect. It's so good. Let me taste the shrimp. Oh, it's so hot. Perfect. You should try it, guys. It's good. Voila! Ubus ka na nito. So, I'm eating now. And it's so good. Believe me. Very healthy and very good. You should try this. So I have to finish my food now. I just started and I have to enjoy. See you in my next video. Thanks, guys.